I'm going to quickly explain the Rultract Simplicity Exchange Cable Replacement Program. This is how we handle cable replacements in between the recommended service intervals in the event that the cable becomes damaged. You would issue a purchase order as per the quote that we sent you, and then you would receive in a reusable shipping case a complete spool cap assembly. So remove this assembly from the bag, being sure that you have both the cable assembly with the snap clip as well as the spool cap nut. And go ahead and put these pieces into the tray that requires the cable replacement. Then take the identical pieces out of the tray and send them back to us to complete the exchange. Now you may have disassembled this assembly, and if so, we include a checklist of all of the pieces that comprise the spool cap assembly. We have to be sure that all of these pieces are put into this envelope and shipped back to us to complete the exchange with no additional charges. There will also be a decontamination form in the case that needs to be signed and put back into the case. And again, please check every box and make sure that everything is in the case, and then go ahead and include that. And then there is a FedEx shipping label to put on the case to ship back to us. So once you put everything back into the bag, and please, whether this is assembled or disassembled, put all of the pieces into the bag. And then go ahead and put the bag into the case and ship it back to us.